Among the various critters that lurk in our homes, perhaps one of the most dangerous is the tick. Ticks are blood-sucking bugs that are commonly found in pets but are known to find their way onto the skin of an unsuspecting human every now and then. Ticks aren't just gross, they're deadly and disease-spreading, so you'll need to keep your family safe from this threat. While there are many ways to keep ticks at bay, perhaps the most popular method of doing so is with the help of tick repellent. They say that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, and spraying a harmless formula on your skin does beat having to visit the hospital. Consider these tick repellents for your next camping trip or simply for everyday use. Number 1. Yaya Organic Stick Repellent. Insect repellents are pretty effective, but are they safe? This is the question raised by many concerned parents around the world. You may be keeping yourself and your family safe from ticks, but what's keeping them safe from the chemicals that you're spraying on them? Luckily, tick repellents don't need to be made out of artificial chemicals, and this stick repellent by Tick Ban proves it. Made out of natural ingredients, this stick repellent is not only effective, but it's also completely safe on your skin. Whether it be on a child or a grown adult, the formula won't harm you, and you can have it on your body throughout the day. It's even effective on dogs, making it a great choice for those who want to keep their pets safe from ticks, too. Number 2. Ranger Ready Tick Repellent. Next up, we have this set of 2 tick repellent products. One includes picaridin as its primary ingredient, while the other features permethrin as its key ingredient. You can use these tick repellent sprays on both your body and your clothing to keep ticks and other pests like flies and mosquitoes far away. It's completely unscented, so you won't have to worry about any unpleasant smells when using this tick repellent, and it's highly effective, offering long-lasting protection of up to 12 hours on the body and 40 days, or up to 5 washes, of your clothing items. Number 3. Murphy's Naturals Tick Repellent. Eucalyptus oil is used in many different natural remedies, and one use that you may not know about is as a tick repellent. This eucalyptus oil formula is mixed with lemon to create a formula that's both safe and good smelling. It's an all-natural formula, meaning that no toxic or harmful chemicals will end up damaging your skin or causing you harm. The sprays can be bought in packs of 1 to 4. They also have bottles in sizes ranging from 2 fluid ounces to 4 fluid ounces, depending on how large you want them. We recommend getting the larger bottles if you plan on using them at home, with the smaller bottles being better for bringing with you outdoors. The smaller form makes it easier to carry and more convenient when in a pinch. Number 4. Ben's Tick Repellent. The Ben's Tick Repellent is an ideal choice for outdoor adventurers looking to protect themselves from dangerous ticks. This eco-spray provides 3 packs of maximum protection against deer ticks, wood ticks, and more. You can trust this tick repellent spray with its 20% picaridin formula for 12 hours of tick protection. Picaridin is an EPA-registered active ingredient recommended by the CDC to repel disease-carrying insects, such as Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and tick-borne encephalitis. This formula is also safe to apply on clothing and gear, without damaging sunglasses, rain jackets, plastics, or other synthetic materials. This anti-tick spray conveniently comes in a 6-ounce bottle that is easy to pack and carry wherever you go. It is also non-greasy and has a pleasant scent. No matter if you are trekking through deep woods or staying in your own backyard, Ben's Tick Repellent will effectively keep those pests away while providing long-lasting protection of up to 12 hours. Number 5. Repel Tick Repellent. To many people, products such as tick repellents are like a luxury that just simply can't be afforded. After all, you can easily get rid of ticks from your dog with a bit of elbow grease, and as long as you wear sufficient clothing, they won't find an easy way onto your skin. But there are tick repellent products that are so affordable, that you won't even need to spend more than $5 on a single spray. Enter Repel. As the name suggests, it's a tick repellent that keeps any surface it's sprayed on tick-free. It can be sprayed on accessories, bags, and clothing. It can even be sprayed on the skin, and it leaves a light and clean finish on your body, so you won't feel sticky when you apply it directly. It isn't made out of natural ingredients, however, so keep that in mind.